Hi, this is Glenn Andrade from Digital Synergy. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to do affiliate marketing on YouTube with no money. I'm sure you all heard about YouTubers making big bucks from YouTube, but maybe you're not quite sure how they're actually making money, or maybe you do know, but you just don't seem to get the same type of results no matter what you do. Now, there are several ways to make money from YouTube, and I'll go over some of those other methods in some of my other videos. But for now, I want to focus on making money on YouTube with affiliate marketing. Now, the good news is anyone can make money with YouTube. You don't have to be a big YouTube superstar or have a ton of money to do it either. And I'll get more into that shortly. But for now, let's just cover what affiliate marketing is exactly for those of you who may not be familiar with it. Now, it's actually a pretty simple concept. And when you become an affiliate for a company, it basically means that you're introducing a product or service to an audience. And if they purchase from your unique link that basically you get when you create an account with that particular affiliate program, you'll make a commission, which basically is a referral fee for sending that company the business. So how do we apply this concept to YouTube to get affiliate sales with no money? Well, there are more than 1.8 billion people using YouTube right now. So your job is to get people to watch your YouTube videos and introduce them or remind them to buy things that they actually want or need. Now, if the buyer intent is already there, it doesn't seem that it'd be that hard to get just some people to click on your link, right? Well, the truth is that it doesn't have to be that hard as long as you follow a proven formula and essentially give YouTube what they want so that your videos will rank high in the search engines. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So, how do you get started with affiliate marketing with YouTube videos? Well, step number one is you need to choose your niche. And when you choose your niche, then obviously you can choose a product from there. Now, the first step is to find a product that you want to promote as an affiliate. Now, I go deeper into the different affiliate programs available on the market with some of my other videos. But for this video, I'm just going to talk about two affiliate programs out there that should cover the overall spectrum for just about anything that you might want to promote. Now, the best way to approach this is to choose a niche that you are passionate about, or at least have some knowledge so that you can easily speak on the topic. Now, a good tip is if you're just getting started is to choose a product that you already own and love. This way, you don't need to spend any money and your video will come straight from the heart. Another tip is to try to focus on high profit commission products or anything that is a recurring commission. That means that you get paid on a month to month or a regular basis once you've referred that product. Now, the two of the most popular affiliate programs out there are Amazon Associates and ClickBank. And Amazon Associates is good if you want to promote physical products. So let me just show you the link where you can apply. I'm going to provide these in the description as well. But this is where you'll lead to. All you have to do is go to this URL, or you can just type in Amazon affiliate program in Google. It'll bring you to this link. So obviously you can see here it's free to join. You can choose over 1 million products to advertise, so you're not going to have any shortage of products that you can promote. You could definitely find something to promote here. And it's easy to join. Basically you do have to have or create a Amazon account, but you can join. Just click on this button and it'll basically take you through a simple process. Now, the next affiliate program that's out there and is pretty popular is called ClickBank. Now, this actually specializes in digital or info products. So if your aim or your target is to go after more digital type products or information type products, this is probably a great place to start because it is pretty straightforward. You just, again, have to sign up. It's a simple process. You can actually get commissions as high as 90%, whereas with Amazon, it's quite lower. But the advantage is everybody knows Amazon, they trust it, and it does tend to have a higher conversion rate. But so back to ClickBank. Um, they also have programs that do have recurring commissions, so that's really good. And then here you can get an idea of the different niches and different types of products that you can promote. So they have products on parenting and families, languages, home and garden, health and fitness, spirituality, self-help, arts and entertainment as seen on TV, and I'm sure you can find something within those niches. So now, unless you already own a ClickBank product, you may have to purchase the product to review it, right? You don't want to review something that you don't have any experience on. But you can always try, some will do it, to contact the company and ask for a review copy. There's no guarantee that they're going to provide you with one, but it doesn't hurt to ask. So those are the biggest affiliates out there. Well, I'm not going to say the biggest, but those are two good ones if you're just starting out to go and apply and get in on that. All right, so now step 2 is to create a channel. Now, if you don't already have a channel, obviously you'll need to do one, and it's easy to do and it's free. So as you can see here, if you just do a simple Google search, it'll take you to Google's YouTube instructions, but it's pretty straightforward. Sign in, and you'll need an account as well. And then you just basically follow the process. It's pretty straightforward. I'm not going to walk you through that. I will create another video that goes more into detail for that. But for now, I just want to go through the steps. So be sure to check out my other video on how to optimize your YouTube channel. Now I'm going to put it here. You should see it right above on the right hand corner. There's an info suggested video. So go check that out when you can. Now, what types of videos should you create? The first type of videos is what's known as tutorial type videos. Now this lends itself very well to YouTube because people are often looking to learn how to do something on YouTube. So these are tutorial videos, also known as how-to videos. When creating tutorial videos, you want to show your visitors step by step the process of how to do something and show them the actual tools and resources that you use for the various products and services that you might be promoting. This way, you can easily work in your affiliate products by providing the affiliate links to the products that you're promoting. The next type of video is product reviews. Now, product reviews work best if you have personal experience using the product, as I mentioned earlier. Because the reason is it's going to ring true with your viewers and it's going to build trust with your audience. Plus, you want to ensure that the products you are promoting are good quality, right? You don't want to promote anything that's junk, right? You want to give good value. There are several ways you can approach product reviews. For example, you can talk about the features and why you like it, or you can do a comparison review where you compare it to other products. Again, this should come easy if you're familiar with the product and is a product that you already use and love. Now, just look around your house or think about the products or softwares that you're currently using and that you really love and that you would recommend to your friends and family. That's really going to come across as genuine, and it's really going to convert well. Now, step 3 is getting traffic. Now, how do you get traffic, right? So you've chosen your niche, you've set up your channel, you've created your videos. Now you need one of the most important pieces of the puzzle, and that's to get the traffic, right? So even if you create the most amazing videos on YouTube, you're not going to get the results if nobody sees them, right? So be sure to check out my other videos on how to optimize your YouTube videos. But for now, I just want to talk to you about how you can get free traffic from YouTube and Google. Now, the problem many people have when it comes to affiliate marketing or any marketing is driving traffic to their products. And it's the same with YouTube as it is with e-commerce or any business. The difference is that we're actually in a golden era for YouTube, and the ability to get free traffic and grab prime real estate online, because everybody is actually focused on using Facebook advertising or Google ads to drive their traffic. But I want to let you in on a little secret. It's actually much easier to rank on YouTube than it is trying to rank your blog or your website on Google. So if you want to learn more about making money on YouTube, all you need to do is opt in below for free training. It's a 10-part video series where I reveal some of the hidden secrets out there on making money with YouTube. But more importantly, when you opt in, you're also going to get access to the secret of getting free traffic from YouTube. And this training is from an internet superstar that's absolutely killing it right now. He's making over $52,000 per month using this same system, and you'll get access to this training for free. So opt in below, and remember, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notify bell so you can be alerted for my latest videos, and I'll see you next time.